Let's start with the big story of the day. Trouble may be rising for former West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her party, the TMC, as reports suggest a growing internal rift within the organization. According to senior TMC insiders speaking to Times Now, a rebel camp within the party may be gaining strength. There are claims that more MLAs could join this group in the coming days, which could further deepen the crisis within TMC. Sources also suggest that this internal division may not remain limited to the state level. There are fears that it could even impact the party's strength in Lok Sabha if the situation escalates even further. This update comes shortly after, in fact, the political changes that we have seen in West Bengal in the last 24 hours. And now attention is turning to reported showdown within the party itself. In West Bengal Assembly, a group of rebel TMC MLAs reportedly led by Ritabrata Banerjee, they have claimed to have significant support and they have made leadership claims within the opposition structure as well. Let me get you more perspective and go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's been tracking all the details. Good morning, Sabyasachi. A lot has happened in the last 24 hours. The real question is, who is the real TMC there in West Bengal? Take us through what has happened. A key huddle took place late last night, but there were also concern because many of the TMC leaders, the key leaders, they were also not there in that meeting. Take us through the latest.
Well, absolutely. It's a tough time as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned because, unlike the Shiv Sena that happened in the state of Maharashtra, it is a Trinamool Congress within a Trinamool Congress. So the MLAs, Ritabrata Banerjee or Sandeepan Saha, who have the support of 60 legislators with them, they are claiming that we are part of the Trinamool Congress and they are ready to accept Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the party, because when they have submitted the document to the Speaker of the Assembly to take the claim as the leader of opposition and the main opposition party, they have put Mamata Banerjee's name as the leader of the party. Right, yesterday hectic parleys went on till late night. There were several rounds of meeting. Yesterday Mamata Banerjee held an important meeting where Abhishek Banerjee, Kalyan Banerjee, other leaders from the Trinamool Congress like Kunal Ghosh, they were present at the residence of Mamata Banerjee. Today what we are picking is that there's going to be another round of meeting that is going to happen with Ritabrata Banerjee, Sandeepan Saha and the other legislators who have given their support to Ritabrata Banerjee. So clearly it's going to be a very difficult time for the Mamata Banerjee, because straight away the message that has come in from the rebel faction is that in any circumstances they are not going to accept the leadership of Abhishek Banerjee. They are solely blaming Abhishek Banerjee for this present situation. They say that the Trinamool Congress was functioning more in a corporate style. There were a syndicate, there was corruption. They were not happy with the CBI, with the ED investigating the Trinamool Congress leaders time and again, and they feel that somewhere more focus were on the IPAC but not on the Trinamool Congress ground leaders. So these are some of the important reasons why the rebel legislators have decided to move away from Abhishek Banerjee and extend their support to Ritabrata Banerjee. Akansha.
All right, stay on with us, Sabyasachi. Let me go across to Amitava Roy, Bengal BJP VP. Thank you so much, sir, for connecting with us. How do you look at what is happening there in West Bengal? Do you also believe that Mamata Banerjee is losing the grip on her own party? Because many of the rebel leaders, they have said that this is not against her. It is against her nephew, that is Abhishek Banerjee. Your take on this?
Listen, Trinamool Congress and scam and syndicate people have seen West Bengal together. People voted for BJP, voted for Sonar Bangla, and this we have gained for a long years. People with fought for the development of West Bengal. The people of West Bengal and the leaders of BJP and grassroots levels of BJP workers are not at all interested what is happening in TMC, because our state president, Mr. Samik Bhattacharya, before the elections, 1 month before the elections, he has told that Trinamool will lose, and within a month, Trinamool party will become history. That forecast is happening now. BJP has come to power with the blood and sweat of the unknown workers, of the booth level workers, block levels and Anchal level workers who have tirelessly worked for the party and development of West Bengal and India. So what is happening in TMC? People are laughing. They have become a laughing stock, and what they do, that is inside their party, we are not at all interested. We want Sonar Bangla to regain its back position, and the double engine government, we want to do the development of West Bengal as well as India.
All right, so TMC has become a laughing stock. They have gone into self-destruction mode is the point that has been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party leader. Thank you so much, sir, for connecting with us. 1 month after TMC was voted out of power, the party is now staring at the internal rift. Mamata Banerjee is losing the grip over her own party. Let's take you through what has happened in the last 24 hours. A group of rebel MLAs of the Trinamool Congress, led by Ritabrata Banerjee, they have picked him as a leader of opposition of the West Bengal Assembly. He claimed to have the backing of nearly 60 MLAs. However, the rebels have also named Mamata Banerjee as the leader of their party, and they claim that there is no attempt, in fact, that is being made by them to split the party.
We have been accepted as the principal opposition in this 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly. We want Mamata Banerjee to be our chief advisor, to give us advices. Two-thirds of them, more than two-thirds of them, has given our claim, and the claim has been accepted.
लेटर दिया, अभी जो एलओपी का रूम है वो अलॉट कर दिया गया है। एलओपी वहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं। हम लोग चाहेंगे कि ममता दी हमारी एडवाइजर बन के रहे, हमें सलाह दे, और हम लोग ये एलओपी और चीफ व्हिप को लेके दल को अच्छे से चलाए विधानसभा के अंदर।
ममता बनर्जी जिसने तृणमूल कांग्रेस को जन्म दिया, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का मां जो है वही असली तृणमूल कांग्रेस है।
ये जो आज आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ पे ये है कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एमएलएस मिलके 4 लीडर्स को चुना है, और ये 4 लीडर विधानसभा का फ्लोर में हमें लीड करेगी।
And with that, we have another breaking update coming in. This push and pull in TMC is getting bigger and murkier. With the Bharatiya Janata Party now reacting very sharply to this, BJP MLA Swapan Das Gupta has said that TMC is in self-destruction mode. In a social media post, he has also warned the Bharatiya Janata Party workers to stay very alert in the state against those trying to join the party to escape their past actions. The comment comes as the TMC faces internal rift just 1 month after losing the power in West Bengal. There's a warning that has come in from a senior BJP leader who has stated in a social media post that TMC has gone into self-destruction mode, and in that social media post, he has also warned the Bharatiya Janata Party workers there in West Bengal to stay very alert and cautious when it comes to TMC leaders who are trying to join the party to escape their past actions, is what he has said. Let me get you more perspective on this and go across to my colleague Ridhita, who's been tracking all the details. Ridhita, put this into perspective. Why is the Bharatiya Janata Party warning the workers as the TMC internal rift that has deepened?
Well, absolutely. You see, the stand of Bharatiya Janata Party has been clear since the rule of it began in Bengal. The president of West Bengal unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Shamik Bhattacharya, had said it before only that there won't be any Trinamoolikaran of BJP, which means that during the time of BJP, Trinamool's rule, there was a lot of left leaders who had come and joined the party just to escape from various raids and scanner and for not being under the scanner of the police. But now the Shamik Bhattacharya, the BJP state president, had made it very clear, stating that we will not allow any workers or MLAs coming or changing their seats from the Trinamool to BJP. The Trinamool-like harkat will not continue in BJP, because we remember 2021 when our workers had to sacrifice their lives. So we are going to pay respect to that and not lose the dignity of the party. And especially when you see about the corruption that had been noted under the Trinamool regime, The Bharatiya Janata Party has been fighting for this very reason, and they say we are not going to allow any corrupted seat to undignify the seats in BJP, and therefore there is not going to be any allowance of any worker or leader. And reiterating that same statement, we now see after the breaking of Trinamool Congress and several leaders, workers going under the police scanner, the agency scanners, the BJP now makes it even more clear and tells their workers that they are not going to allow, or nobody should vent out to the policies of the TMC, and hence they go on to saying, and with the stronger statement, that no TMC allowed.
All right.
Do not entertain any TMC workers or leaders statement or go give them sympathy. Then that
All
is
right.
going to backfire you in the long run, because
Absolutely.
BJP
It remains
is
to be seen
not-
how this really pans out. Stay on with us, Ridhita. Let me go across to Jagannath Sarkar of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much, sir, for connecting with us. Your party's MLA, he has warned against any of the false friends, ex-TMC Neta seeking shelter in the party there in West Bengal. Would you agree with what he has said?
ये जो बंगाल का टीएमसी के जो हाल है, वो अभी उनका कोई लक्ष्य नहीं है, वो आइडियोलॉजी नहीं है ये जिस पार्टी का, वो अभी तो खत्म होने वाला पार्टी है। तो जनता का जो रोष है उनका खिलाफ है, तो खिलाफी पार्टी का विधायक भाजपा में शामिल करना कभी सही नहीं होते। वो जनता का क्षोभ भी उसका ऊपर है, तो इसलिए कोई टीएमसी विधायक भाजपा में शामिल हो जाए, ऐसा यहाँ बंगाल का जनता का मांग नहीं है, वो उनका खिलाफ ही है। कोई टीएमसी की कैडर भाजपा में शामिल हो, ऐसा मंशा भी नहीं है। इतने करप्टेड पार्टियां, इनका ऊपर जनता का इतना क्षोभ है, तो इसलिए जो हमारा सपन दासगुप्ता जी जो लिखा है एकदम सही बात बोला, मैं
All right.
उनका सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ कि ये उनका शामिल भाजपा में होना नहीं चाहिए, हम भी नहीं चाहते, जनता भी नहीं चाहते, इसलिए वो जो मांग किया एकदम सही किया।
All right, so Bharatiya Janata Party, they're saying that such leaders lack ideology, politically they are finished, making it quite clear that they will not be accommodated in the party. Thank you so much, Mr. Sarkar, for connecting with us and putting that into perspective. But will the MLAs, the rebel MLAs of TMC get disqualified? At this moment, there are 80 TMC MLAs in the assembly, and the rebel faction claims the support of 58 of these MLAs. To waive the anti-defection law, the rebel faction would need the support of 2/3 of the MLAs, which in this case would mean that they would need the support of 54 MLAs. They have 58 MLAs with them. So if Rita Banerjee's faction has the support of 58 MLAs as he has claimed, then they could evade the anti-defection law is what we are learning so far. Listen in.
আমাদের রাজ্যের সম্মানীয় বিজেপি সভাপতি, আমাদের জনপ্রিয় সাংসদ, রাজ্যসভার সদস্য সম্মানীয় সমীর ভট্টাচার্য বারবার বলেছেন, নির্বাচন যখন শুরু হয়েছে তখন থেকেই একটা কথাই আমরা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির পক্ষ থেকে বলে এসেছি যে তৃণমূল চলে গেছে, মানুষ তৃণমূলকে পুরোপুরিভাবে পশ্চিমবাংলা থেকে তাড়ানোর জন্য তারা সবার প্রস্তুতি নিয়েছে।